When we use our smartphones every single day, they become a huge part of our lives. From photos and videos to personal accounts and important data, everything is stored inside. But imagine one day you turn your phone and suddenly see a message saying, "This device is locked, sign in with MI account," and you have no idea what that account is, or you just forgot your password. And that's a frustrating situation. And many Xiaomi and Redmi users face this problem. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about a very useful solution, Wondershare Dr.Fone, and especially its Mi account unlock feature, which is the main highlight of this video. First, let's understand the problem in a very simple way. Xiaomi devices comes with something called Mi account lock, also known as Mi Cloud Lock. This is a security feature that protects your phone if it gets lost or stolen. When the phone is reset, it asks the previously logged in Mi account before you can use it again. This is great for security, but the problem starts when you forgot the account details or buy a second-hand phone that's still linked to someone else's account. In that situation, your phone is basically unusable. You can go to the home screen, you can't access apps, nothing, and contacting the previous owner is not always possible. This is where Dr.Fone's Mi Account Unlock tool becomes very useful. Dr.Fone offers an online Mi Account Unlock service that allows you to remove this lock without needing the password or the previous owner's help. And the best part is, it doesn't require any complicated technical process. Everything is designed to be simple and easy to follow. You just go to the official Dr.Fone Unlock page, provide your device details, and follow the instructions. This process is handled remotely, which means you don't need to install heavy software or go through risky manual steps. For many users, this makes the whole experience much more convenient. Now, let's talk about why this feature is so important. The Mi account lock is one of the hardest locks to deal with because it is directly connected to Xiaomi's cloud system. Traditional methods usually don't work, and many unofficial tricks you find online are either fake or risky. But Dr.Fone provides a more reliable and structured solution, which is why it has become popular among users. Of course, Dr.Fone is not limited to just Mi account unlocking, it also offers solutions for other types of locks. For example, if you forget your screen lock like PIN, pattern, or password, Dr.Fone has a screen unlock feature for PC that can remove it by connecting your phone via USB. It can also help bypass Google FRP lock, which appears after a factory reset when your phone asks the previously synced Google account. This is another common issue, especially for people who reset their devices without remembering their login details. But again, the main focus today is the Mi account unlock, and that's where Dr.Fone really stands out. Now, let's talk about usability. One of the best things about Dr.Fone is its user-friendly approach. The instructions are clear, the interface is simple, and you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Even if you're trying this for the first time, you can understand the steps easily. In terms of performance, the process is generally smooth if you follow the correct steps and provide accurate device information. Like any software solution, results can depend on the device model and condition, but overall, it offers a practical solution for a problem that is otherwise very difficult to fix. However, it's important to keep expectations realistic. For certain things, like bootloader unlocking, you should always use the official Xiaomi Mi Unlock tool. And for SIM unlocks, you still need to contact your carrier. Dr.Fone focuses mainly on software level unlocking and device access issues. Another thing worth mentioning is that Dr.Fone is developed by Wondershare, a well-known company that creates various software tools, so you're not using someone's random or unknown. It's a recognized platform with a wide range of features beyond just unlocking, like data recovery, phone transfer, and system repair. So, if you're stuck with a Mi account lock and don't have access to the original account, Dr.Fone can be a very useful option to try. It simplifies a complicated problem and gives you a way to regain access to your device. So, if you want to check it out, just click the link in the description or search for Dr.Fone on Google and explore all the features yourself. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.